What's up, everyone? Aaron Duncan here with Duncan Brothers Customs, and we are here at Ratoberfest. If you hear the sights, if you hear the sounds, if you can't hear me, that's because it's a good time. We got cars and this and that going on. We brought the Ripper down here. We didn't really build anything. We almost brought Trevor's car. I just didn't feel like cleaning it. But we did build the trophy. We were asked by Brad Starks to build the trophy for the Best Muscle Car Award, which we were totally honored in. So, in typical Duncan Brothers fashion, check that out. But in typical Duncan Brothers fashion, we built it to look like a Frankenstein man. So here at Ratoberfest, if you've never been to this event, you gotta come next year because it is just an absolute blast here in Paducah, Kentucky. It's totally awesome. And we have Willie 102.1 repping. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. We won't have a Monday morning update video because I won't be at the shop Monday, so it'll be a Tuesday morning update, so even more special. But here's a Saturday update, which you don't get too often, and we're here at Ratoberfest, and there's some kick-ass cars. So if you're in Paducah, come on down. If not, make it here next year because this place is insane.
Thank you.
This is my favorite. That one was my favorite until this one came.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. Yeah, it was a team effort. Everybody kind of came together on it. Got the muscles.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The muscle award.
I sent a picture to my kid. I was like,
Did you really?
Yeah.